Alright guys, so today we have Bonk coin flying exactly as predicted on my channel previously, guys, when I told you this is a bottom right now, and we could see some breakout here happening on Bonk coin. Now it is flying away and now it's up 70% so far here from these lows. Now the question remains here for those that are wondering, is this a true rally? Is this for real? Is this happening? Now we're gonna be looking into that as well here in this video and try to figure out what the Bonk coin chart is trying to tell us here, guys. Now we do have as well COQ Inu rallying and breaking out. For those that are into that COQ Inu, now it's breaking out. It looks like that head and shoulder is gonna play out. And we do have as well, guys, some meme coins that I've mentioned on my channel before, those top meme coins to buy for the bull market. Now one of them is COQ. We have Snake as well is rallying, and we have Toshi right now pulling a 2x overnight. Now congratulations to those that have been into that Toshi game, now standing at $65 million market cap. We have ladies as well today showing some strength. So guys, with no further ado, let's get into the video, and we're gonna start with that Bonk coin. So as usual, guys, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and let's get into it. Now I'm not gonna lie here, the Bonk coin chart looks pretty bullish. Now if you kept holding through this turmoil here, through this bad times of Bonk coin just going down, now you might actually be out of the woods right now here. It looks like Bonk coin just closed these 3 daily candles pretty good. Yesterday's daily candle was the most important, and now it closed it above those previous highs that we've mentioned. So now this means, guys, the market structure has changed. Now the market structure went from those higher highs, higher lows, which is bearish, does not look good, to now changing towards that higher high, because we broke above that previous high, which is important, and you can see right now candle tested that previous high and now it's going above it. Now it shows a lot of strength here, guys. Now obviously we had the Bitcoin ETF approved yesterday, which is really bullish for the whole crypto space. We did as well see Solana and ETH rallying, which is beneficial for these coins. And now as well we've seen the whole market benefiting in as well meme coins. Now before we get going with the video, guys, I want to present you with today's video sponsor, Cryptonomy, a platform that facilitates investing in cryptocurrencies. Cryptonomy backs the early stage crypto projects building the Web3 and its decentralized infrastructure. With Cryptonomy, you got Launchpool, you can borrow, stake, and manage your asset all in one platform. Now, with Cryptonomy, you can deposit and stake your cryptos and your stable coins and earn APY on your investments. And with its Launchpool, using this early stage investment, they can actually generate high returns, which they pay back to people who are depositing and investing in their platform. Of course, because they are generating this yield from investment, it can hold risk, so for sure do your own research before deciding it's a fit for you. So what you can do in this platform, you can open up an interest account and you can earn interest on your stable coin and your crypto. And they have a wide variety of tokens to stake, including Pepe coin, and there is a number of ways you can earn on your crypto. You have flexible staking with around 20% APY, where you can withdraw your crypto at any time. And there is fixed staking, where you deposit for a fixed term, and this increases the APY up to over 100%. To get started, there is a link in the description. You can create an account, head over to wallet, and you can see what asset you can deposit and you also withdraw. After depositing your crypto in the wallet, you can go to your interest account, deposit to start earning. As I deposited some Pepe coin, and you can choose to either get monthly interest, which means interest is automatically transferred to your wallet every month. This also lowers the annual rate. You can either choose to activate this feature or not, and you can choose to continue and stake your coins on that platform. Now please remember, this is not financial advice, and thank you again to Cryptonomy for sponsoring this video. Now with that said, guys, Bonk coin is looking good here. Now where it could go, now we still have that level here. Now from what it looks like it's gonna go way above it, but for now we are still gonna have to hold our horses and wait for that 19 level here to clear out. Now if Bonk coin manages to clear that 19 level, now we know that there are some big whales behind this pump and they want to send that thing higher. Now there is that, but overall, as I said, it looks bullish, and even if we hit hit that and we see a drop, that's gonna be some sort of a healthy correction, and that also means we change the market structure, and this would just be a higher low and then we send it back up here. From what it looks like here from these breakouts, usually the way they play out, it doesn't matter if it's the Bonk coin chart, the gold chart, the corn chart, whatever it is, usually when this breaks out, it usually breaks to the upside and it takes the previous highs. So that's the way it is right now. That's what the charts are saying on Bonk coin. So congratulations guys, if you're holding Bonk coin, you're finally now having some hope. That's when it comes to Bonk coin, guys. Now it's pretty simple here, there is nothing to really overcomplicate. Bonk coin looks pretty bullish to me here. I do think it's gonna keep going up. Now the only thing here to be really careful with is Bitcoin. Now we just had the Bitcoin ETF yesterday and then we had ETH starting the rally. So I do think we still have few months going for altcoins to start rallying, and then we possibly could see a major correction. But for now I do think we have a clear January and then maybe a clear February where we're just gonna see markets going up. That's the consensus right now here going on in the crypto space. Now that's it with Bonk coin. If you have any more questions guys, you can join my Discord, link in the description. It's free to join. You can ask me any questions there. You can as well leave them in the comment section. And now going into some other coins, and guys, as usual, there is not only Bonk coin out there, there are so many other meme coins that presents opportunities and that have potential to do just what Bonk coin did here. This 200x, this moonshot that we've seen on Bonk coin, there are other coins that could just do that. Now I've been mentioning some of those coins, so I do feel like some of you want me to talk about this coin, so I'm gonna do that guys. Now we are seeing here, we can see overall what's happening now. Bonk coin now is being a chat right now. $1 billion market cap. We do have Pepecoin right below it. Now Pepecoin has seen some movement today, 18% on the 24 hours, going towards the $600 million market cap. Now as I said on my yesterday's video, I do think Pepecoin and Floki are gonna start their moves right now because of the ETF narrative. Now I do think as well guys, this upcoming few months now, January, February, maybe March, we're gonna see the ETF narrative. Now either you are a day trader, you can be now looking more into ETH, or you're an investor. I do think now coins that are on that ETH chain are gonna see some sweet gains. Now we do have Pepecoin and Floki. Now we do have meme. I think this one is not bad. Now today is up 16%. Most of the meme coins here today are seeing some green. It's all over the board here. Now there are some things I want to mention as well. Now recently we've seen Dog with hat with the ticker WIF. Now this guy here is a meme coin that just got listed today on that futures exchange part of Bybit. Now here guys, if you're new to the channel, we found out that most of the coins or we found out that those meme coins that get listed on Bybit have some sort of a spell going for them. They kind of like to do those pumps, and that's usually a bullish sign when a coin gets listed on Bybit. That usually kind of opens the gates for other things to happen for that coin. So today we've seen that WIF pumping 117%. So congratulations to those that are onto this play. And now going towards the coins that I've been mentioning, now we do have now COQ back above that $100 million market cap. Now as we've seen from the charts here, been talking about this head and shoulders, and now on that COQ, and it looks like it's gonna break out, or it's actually breaking out. Now this could rally now here. Now we've been getting into that COQ way early here on my channel, and we do have Snake as well pumping here today, 23%. We do have Toshi now 53% today, and yesterday another 50%. So basically Toshi did a 100% pump yesterday, and Toshi basically, for those that do not know, is on that Coinbase chain. Just like Bonk is on Solana, Toshi is on that Coinbase chain. So the yesterday's pump really kind of shows that I was onto something with Toshi. Now the first time I mentioned Toshi on my channel guys, it was around $10 million market cap. So now it's around 60 million. So now we made around 10x on that play. Now we do have Ladies today as well pumping a pretty good coin, a pretty strong coin. Now you know guys, what's funny is just a few weeks ago all these coins were down, blood was on the streets and nobody was buying. I was kind of buying these coins guys, and a lot of people were bearish. I'm pretty sure a lot of people were saying it's over, and I was just accumulating these coins. As usual, we entered that bull market here. If you do see those dips, do not be thinking too much, and this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor, but the way it is guys is now we we are entering that buy the dip thing. And the truth is, I might be onto something here with those meme coins, guys. They are all pumping those coins that I've been talking about. Now we have Ladies, we have Toshi, we have Snake, we have COQ. Now we have Pip, Bonk. The thing here, guys, with this recent pump, it just kind of solidifies my idea of these coins being a pretty good picks, and I'm pretty happy with those coins right now as they are showing some strength. Now you have to know that a lot of people have been in the crypto space for way too long, and they did not believe that 2023 we were gonna see a kind of a mini bull market, like everything is pumping, and they were sidelined. They did not buy anything. And now with the recent Bitcoin ETF, this was the biggest news that crypto space has ever seen. Now these people, guys, are now feeling left behind. So what that does to them, guys, is they are now gonna buy anything they can, anything that is dropping, anything that people are talking about. They are gonna be onto that mania FOMO because they missed out. They literally missed out, and now they are gonna be trying to buy all these coins that they can. And the way it works is whatever coins people talk about the most are those are the coins that people are gonna most likely see somewhere and buy. So I do think we're gonna have January where those people gonna try to play catch up and try to get into some coins as much as possible. And one of the reasons as well Bonk is pumping is because of that as well. Now we have a lot of people that been sidelined for too long. They've seen all that. They were just watching. They did not get into any coins, and right now they came in, so Bonk at a support. They see all these meme coins that they've been hearing about that they did not get into. And now we have Bitcoin ETF, so there is no denying now. There is no denying that we are gonna have the biggest bull market ever. And that's what's happening. Now they are buying. Now we can see green everywhere, and those people that been sidelined now are jumping on board. Now, as soon as this gonna get done with, I do think we're gonna see a major correction this year, probably March or April, anywhere early this year, we're gonna probably see a major correction. Now, this is important, guys, so that you understand something. If you are in huge profits, let's say Bonk goes back to the previous highs and keeps pumping, you want to start taking profits slowly. You want to start taking profits and keep some money and keep some of that stable coins for the major dip, because there are gonna be dips in the bull market, guys, for those that did not experience this. Now I'm not saying sell everything, because also, as I said, diamond hands. Now you want to be taking like 20% profits here and there. And as well, if you really don't have any clue, can get some help. You can join my Discord, link in the description. It's free to join. You can as well keep watching my videos. I'm gonna keep updating you. But the point here is, whenever you are into massive gains, think about selling half and keeping those stables on the side for the dips. And that's about it, guys. I do think we're gonna have that major dip coming into this year. It's not gonna happen now. We're still gonna see some major rallies now, but be ready for it. Now that's gonna be it. That's gonna be that major dip, and you wanna be ready for that one. That does not mean I'm bearish and we're going in a bear market. That does not mean sell your coins. That just means I'm just preparing you guys. And as soon as you see yourself into major profits, we do have few months, as I said, you want to start taking some profits and wait for the major dip. So we're gonna wrap it up here, guys, and as usual, I have to say that nothing is financial advice, and I want to thank you so much for hanging around here today, guys, and I will see you on the next video. Cheers.